Need to confirm your identity on Facebook Marketplace? Then you're on the right video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you have to head over to your application Facebook, enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside your profile, click on the three line at the top left corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy, and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, you need to head over to Account Center. Inside Account Center, move into Personal Details at the very top of the screen. So once you're in this page, if you haven't confirmed your identity, then you should see the option where it says Confirm Identity or Verify Your Identity. You need to click on it. The verification code will be sent to one of your mail or your phone number. You need to copy that verification number and paste it in the section that you're asked to. Once done, tap on Done. After that, your identity will be verified and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.